So here we have a drain cleaning hose. This particular nozzle has one forward facing nozzle and 3 rear facing nozzles. I'm going to show you this in action in a moment. The actual drain hose is highly flexible. It's a 1/4 inch BSP cotton braided heavy duty rubber cover hose, so it's nice and flexible, but it'll take the pressure as well. This one goes up to, it's rated up to 160 bar. So if your pressure washer is more than that, obviously you can turn it down, but this will suit most domestic pressure washers on the market. I've got this particular one connected up to an M22 coupling. Now we do lots and lots of different couplings for different pressure washers. So if you've got a Karcher or a Nilfisk or a Gerni or a McAllister or any of the the B&Q models, then we'll do a coupling that will suit your pressure washer. So just look on the listing and you'll see the different couplings that we do. So if you just watch this now, I'm just going to switch it on and you'll be able to see it pushing out the water. This is without sort of any pressure on it. So you should be able to see there the forward nozzle and the 3 rear facing nozzles. As I say, I haven't switched the machine on yet, but when I do, this will absolutely roar and it'll rocket down that drain and clean out any obstruction that's in front of it. So let's give it a go.